Hey guys, so here is the Asus laptop with some bad keys that have been broken and fallen off. And as you can see, this one I can't really fix. The actual rubber is gone on it also. So what I did was instead of spending $40–50 and ordering the part here in Canada or bringing it to a service center and having to pay labor on top of that also, I was able to actually find it on eBay from Hong Kong for $18 all in, including shipping, post, and taxes and everything, which is a really good deal. It did take about a month to show up. Some people say 2 to 3 weeks, some people say a little longer than a month, but otherwise $18 all in is a really good price. So this is the package that was shipped to me from Hong Kong. This is the new keyboard that we're going to be installing. Like I said, $18 all in, including shipping, taxes, and everything. Can't beat a price like that. So I'm going to take this out of the wrapping. Show you the new keyboard. There you go, looking beautiful, eh? So what we got to do is take out the old keyboard first, which is pretty easy on many models of Asus. There's actually spots on the keyboard top here. I'll show you. Like right here, 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 and here. And all you really got to do is take like a flat screwdriver and actually pop these up. Just make sure they're all popped. There we go. So this will actually come out like that. Be careful because the ribbon is on the back there. So what we're going to do at this point now, as you can see it's taped, so I'm going to have to remove this tape to put the new ribbon in. So I'll turn off the camera for a moment while I remove the tape, and I'll turn it back on as we install the new keyboard. Here, I actually figured I can remove the tape with the camera on, why not? So just be careful because there's components underneath this tape. You don't want to really be jabbing anything in there or anything like that. So make sure you bring up this guard. There's a little guard here, a black guard. You got to bring it up in order to take the ribbon out. So there you go, comes out really easy. And the old broken keyboard is going to go. And then we'll work on putting the new keyboard in. And here's the nice new ribbon. And that. Alright, so I just ran out of batteries there and had to turn it off for a sec, but here we go, putting the ribbon into the new keyboard. Just try to be careful, these are a little delicate. There you go, then you're just going to push these back down and you have a brand new keyboard working in your Asus laptop.